Okay, good morning students. This is Shivraj Patel and welcome to Math Chef YouTube channel, right? So today is the next chapter. Next chapter in the size 9th CBSE syllabus, right? This the application of the trigonometry. Some application of the trigonometry they given. Some means only one specific purpose, means specific type of questions they will ask. Okay, means trigonometry is a huge chapter, huge subject. It has a numerous application in the physics and chemistry and even commercial mathematics also, right? Still we have some, with respect to this one, we have some specific applications. Okay, first one, right? Okay, first one is height and distances. Okay, height and distances. Height and distance. Only this is only application part. Means by trigonometric ratios or identities. By trigonometric ratios and identities, how to find the height of the. Okay, only this one we have. Okay, this one is 9.1. The sub concept is okay. Basic introduction, you know. The trigonometry is the where you have the day by day. Okay, and for the land survey, the drone survey, now what the government is doing, they have this some trigonometric ratios applications in that every day. The measurement of the land. Wherever you have the angles, now one thing remember, wherever you have get angles to measure this something else, the measure the distance or measure the height, measure the width or whatever it may be, then trigonometry helps you a lot. Okay, right? Wherever there is an angle, whatever it may be, if you want to find the angle, the reflection point, you have to find the point moving in the sky, because something else. If they're making angles, then see, find my stand and my phone. That's a small angle. So here, from my height, my stand height, I can distribute only that one, right? I can see my angle and the height of the stand. I can figure out the distance between the phone and my line of sight, right? That's the here. So in height and distance, we have some technical names. Okay, what are these? Let's see. Concept. So let's see. You are the person standing here. Okay, these are two layers, upper limbs. These two are lower limbs. Lower limbs are usually bigger, no? Right? Right, and any position is called, this upper side is called and lower side is called vertical position, or vertically you can call vertical, and the front and back side, east and west side, is called horizontal, right? Vertical and horizontal. Horizontal and vertical. Anything is above or below is called vertically down, vertically up, and down. You can call also. Front or back, or east or west, north or south. North side or south side, east side or west side. Okay, the east, west, north or south. See, you are the person standing here, whatever it may be, wherever you may be stand. Okay, this is called your position. Okay, your position. Okay, then if the object is somewhere else, or the object is right, aeroplane is moving, right? Aeroplane is moving, right? This direction. Something else. Okay. The aeroplane, you can take the bird also, right? Simply I will take the small bird, right? This is only okay. The line segment from this one to this one, okay? The line segment is called line of sight. Line of sight. The straight line, the shortest distance, okay? The straight line between the position and object is called line of sight. Very important, na? Line of sight. Here This is the line of, means call it O and A. OA is a line of, O is a line of sight. Right. Then see, whenever I'm thinking, okay, then here you can make the angle now. This you can make angle here. This is theta. Okay. So this line of sight making the angle with the horizontal. Very important. This line of sight making the horizontal angle with the horizontal is called angle of elevation. Is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Right? See, very important. The angle made by the horizontal line to the with the line of sight is called angle of elevation. Similarly, if the object is somewhere else, is like that some stone on the ground, okay? This is the object, okay? Something else here also. Then again, this is, okay? This becomes alpha, okay? This is called, right, angle of depression. Depression, na? Depression. Okay. And similarly, okay, in what is the called in trigonometry we can solve circles. This is called the upper side. This is the horizontal. No? This is the reference line. A reference line. Then reference line. If you can, this is called angle of elevation. This is called angle of depression. Okay. This is called also. If they exist. Okay. Minus theta you can call also. Minus theta or angle of elevation. Angle of elevation and depression. Depression. Angle of elevation and angle of depression. Right? Okay. So you are in a position right here and you are seeing the verticals. See, then you can find the distance. They will give on something else. Okay? Right? This makes 90 degree almost. Right? They will give on this angle, this distance, or this distance, or this distance. Okay, angle which have two parameters now. There are four parameters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it has two parameters. These are ratios now. If you given this ratio, you can find this one. If you got this ratio, you can find this one. If you got these two ellipses, you can find the theta. Similarly here also. Okay, this is the, if the position is here. Okay, another one is there. The position is different. Okay. Okay. If the object is here, okay, let's see here. Okay, I should not make this one. If the object is here, okay, object is here, right? This is the object, okay, and you are standing here, okay. Right, this is the object and you are standing here. Okay, then this is also called line of segment. Okay, this is called line of segment, say line of sight. Right, but if they given this one as, right, this is theta. Still, see here you can take the distance also, this one, opposition. But here you should consider this one. But in books also they given. You should draw this one, this and this, okay, this OA, right, you can write A and B and D here, AC is parallel to OB, right, then angle O, okay, angle BOA is equal to angle OAC, alternate interior angles, okay, so this has becomes also B. Height, this also height, if it is x, h, this becomes also h, and this is distance, this becomes a distance. Here, na? See here, if they given this one, you can take this also, corresponding you can take this also. Here also this also becomes opposite. Na? What are we going to take? Tan theta is opposite by base. Here tan is opposite by base. Okay, sin theta is opposite by perpendicular, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, but understanding, but design should be like this. Okay, we can't make the angles because we don't know this. See, this is the person, this is the object. We don't know that angles. Getting right? You should not make the right angles here. For calculation, you can take. Okay, should not take the angle here because this is the object. You are the person here, standing here. Like there also here also, you are the person standing here. Okay, you are seeing this object. Okay, this is the line of sight, but you are in the lower place. The height is not a difference. Okay, here you cannot make the angle here because that's why what do you have to do? Okay, we have to draw the here. This is the earth. This is the surface or ground place. Okay, this is the ground place, right? So here, exactly here you can make the theta. This is the horizontal, but parallel to this one. Okay, therefore this angle becomes also this angle here. You can write. Okay, this becomes also angle, or this you can make the angle. Okay, similarly, if you make this one as theta, this becomes a theta. Okay, but here we are not considering this angle because this is the horizontal, because we know this one. This is angle, the line of sight making angle with this surface horizontal, but this is only a reference line only, right? That's why you should consider this one, but still you get the same answer because this theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite by base, this is also opposite by base. Okay, calculation is okay. In this chapter, what happens now? Here, a question is quite difficult to understand but easy to solve. Okay, difficult to understand, easy to solve. Okay, right. Okay, one thing you should remember: only at the horizontal you should take the angle. At the place of horizontal, you should consider the angle. I mean, there is unless they given. If the making with the angle with the vertical axis, vertical line, then you can take. But unless none of the given, you take the angle in horizontal only. Right? Once again, angle of elevation is just above our line of sight. Means making the angle just above your line of sight, horizontal line. Angle of depression is object is just below our horizontal line of sight, or horizontal distance, horizontal line below the horizontal way, right? Here, if the object is you are the higher position, object is down side, then have to take the angle with the horizontal. Again, if you are lower side, the object is at a higher place, object is at the opposite side, higher place, you should make the angle with your one. Okay, then you can find it this one. See here, you can measure the angle, you can find the distance, that vertical distance, then you can find the value, right? Okay, based on these assumptions, the concept, let's solve some examples. Examples also very easy also. One thing here, see here the lengthy words I could not write this on the board. Okay, I could not possible to write these words on the board. So first I will read the question. Okay, anyway I have the anyone book. So I request everyone to those who are watching this one, please refer the book. So I will clearly for this chapter I will write the example name of the exam, number of the example and a number of the exercise part also. Okay. First question is, first solve the one solved question, then we we'll go to the direct unsolved questions. First question is, take some typical question. Right. The shadow of the tower. Okay. Nice. Take one. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter long. 40 meter long. Longer with the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Then when it is 60 degree. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree, then when it is 60 degree, right? If it is 60 degree, it is something else. If it is 30 degree, it is a 40 meter longer else. Okay. At 60 degree shadow, we don't know the make some value in there. At 30 degree, the shadow length is the distance between the shadow. Distance of the shadow is standing. The distance of the shadow of the tower is found to be 40 meter longer than the at 60 degree. Means it has that is 30 degree. It making larger value, larger shadow at 60 degree than the 60 degree. Okay. Let's draw the diagram. Or the question is, find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. Question number example 5. Example 5. Let's there's a tower here. First let's the sun is here. Okay. Then the tower be here. No? We don't know the height of the tower. Okay. Or the condition is at 60 degree. Okay. First at 60 degree it has some value. Okay, at 60 degree it has some value. This is the like that. This is moving like that. Shadow is sun is here, it's moving. Means angle becomes also angle of this one depression becomes also smaller. Okay, this is found to be 60 degree. This is x meters. We don't know at some angle. Okay, when sun goes backside some degree, this becomes 40 meter. Right, 40 meters, na 40 meters. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Or the given at 60 degree there is some measure, but you don't know. At 30 degree the measure of the shadow is 40 meters longer than the angle shadow was in 60 degree. Okay? You have to find the height of the tower. H is equal to how much? Right? So here it depends on your competency. Here you can use whatever it may be. Okay. You have the basic strong, you can use the applied method directly. You have the basic weak, you can use the books given method. Okay. But here we want answer with accurate value with proper method. Okay, we want answer with accurate value with proper method. Okay, this is they given. We want to find this one. See, they given this one and this one. See, depends on the given data. I have to take this sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cot theta. Okay, if they given hypotenuse, try to find the sin theta, cos theta. If they given both height and width, length, then try to take the tan theta, cot theta. Depends on the value. But what I am doing here, and you should remember the values of the standard values of the trigonometric ratios, some values. So what I am doing here, they given first one is solution is okay. Solution is tan 60 is equal to okay AB by h by x again, right? H by x. This implies what is tan 60? Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Root 3 is equal to h by x. Right? Then tan 30 degree is equal to opposite by base. What is the opposite here? h by, right, x plus 40. This simple. What term 30? 1 by root 3 na? 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x plus 40. Okay. Now, right, you can write here also h by, you can write it na, root 3. See here, this implies also root 3 is equal to x plus 40 by h. X plus 40 by h. Or you can take the h value also. Or just to take the, because now already we have one parameter, just take the h value. Okay. This implies, there we can write right is equal to root 3 into x, and h is equal to here x plus 40 by root 3, because we want only one parameters. Now, okay, root 3 x is equal to x plus 40 by root 3. Okay. This implies, okay, root 3 multiplies now. Right. Okay. This becomes 6x is equal to x plus 40. X is equal to 40 by 5 is 20. Right. Therefore, x is equal to 20 meter. Have to cross check na value. So without seeing the other, BC is equal to x is equal to, right? How to cross check here? Here, see here na. What the value of is tan root 3? If you put the value h by, what we want? We want to find the height of the tower. Na? We got x, right? We got x value. Okay. From x value, okay, this is the 20 meter. Then what is the value of the height is? Height. Then, okay. So I am making the box here. You should continue for classwork. You should continue the next steps. Okay. Then tan 60. Okay. Root 3 is equal to h by x. So h is equal to root 3 into x is equal to 20 into root 3. Let's see the answer. Yes. 20 into root 3. H is equal to 20 into root 3 meter. Write the unit also. In exam, they give a meter, centimeter, kilometer, maybe you should write the unit to get the full marks. Okay. See, hard and only 2 steps now. What they given? Tan 60 they given. H by x. So again, see, first step is diagram is important, and parameters are important. Okay. Then, if you don't know, you are very difficult to solve. Then just write the tan 60 is equal to AB by BC, something else, do something else, and do something. You are too accurate. You are ready to give the answer. Write the parameter directly by the figure. Let's take the figure. Tan 60 is equal to h by x implies h equal to 3x. Only write the direct. Root 3 is equal to means direct write. Tan 60 is equal to h by x. Therefore implies h equal to root 3x, because tan 60 is equal to this one, root 30. Then tan 30 is equal to h by 40x implies h is equal to x 40 by root 3, because tan 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. Side rough work, right? Then equate the equation both. You got the x equal to 20, put the h equal to this one. Okay. Here also we can write this implies. Here also we can write this implies h is equal to 20 into root 3 meter. Okay. Because here we can write because h is equal to root 3 into x. X into root 3. Because rough work, right? In not rough work, it is given data to the examiner, evaluator you are giving, right? This is the simple question based on this one. Okay, next solve the some question from the solution part. Exercise part. Because the solve questions you can understand. Okay. Even also in class teachers also are done. But okay. So okay, we're gonna, if I solve the exercise part again, you could get something else more. Right? Examples exercise 9.1. Right? It says exercise 9.1. Question, I am going from reverse. Question number 16 from back, because last questions usually is quite difficult to complex. Okay, I give the all information in the single question. Right? I'll read the question again. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay. What the given here? Angles of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points at a distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. Okay. Angle of elevation. So you are standing here. This is the straight line. This is the tower. Okay. One is 60 degree. Okay. One we don't know. One is 9 meter and 4 is 7 meter. One is 9 meter. Okay. One is 9 meter. Let's take the bigger value 9 meter. This has a 9 meter. Okay. Another one is 4 meter. 4 meter. Right? This is the X, O, A, B, C. Right? And the condition is same time. So the angles are complementary. Okay? Angles are complementary means, okay, what the angles are complementary? A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, A is equal to B minus 90 degree. 90 degree minus B. 90 degree minus B. If it is A, if it is B, or B is equal to 90 minus A. Okay, can take the anyone. A is equal to B, B is equal to this we can write also. Also we are 90 minus B also. Right? You have to prove that this height is 6 meter. This height is 6 meter. Okay, just take the given data, whatever it may be, then you can find this one. Okay, one is 4 meter and this 9 meter. Okay, okay, here we don't need to find the X, but just I taken this one. First one is I taking S. Okay, we want this one. Opposite and base. Here also opposite and base. I am taking the tan theta. If you want hypotenuse, then you can take the sine of cos. Tan B, tan theta, tan B is equal to H by 4. Okay. Second one, and tan A is equal to tan 90 minus B is equal to H by 9. Opposite by hypotenuse, right? Okay, this implies cot B is equal to H by 9 because tan 90 minus B is equal to cot B, and it is, right? And it is complementary angles. Okay, this can write as tan B is equal to 9 by H because cot B is equal to 1 by tan B. Right? Okay. This is can write 1 and this can write 2. From 1 and 2 we have, from 1 and 2 we have H by 4 is equal to 9 by H. This implies H square is equal to 36, h is equal to 6, because we are taking only positive values, right? 6 meters. Distance never will be in a negative value, right? Only simple. Okay. First take the tan. Use the simple spell. First take the tan. This one b. Take the tan a is equal to what? Tan 90 minus b. You taken. What the difference is? H by 9. Okay. Tan 90 minus b become cot b. Cot b was tan b. Take the reverse. Okay. Reverse na. Take cot b equal to 9 by h. Cot tan b. So tan b is equal to 9 by h and tan b is equal to h by 4. Both are equal. Take the equal, cross multiplication, h square, 9 into 4, that is 6. So take the square root and you will get the value of h. Okay. Next question is, okay, question number 15. Question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. Right? 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay. Again. Okay, I will explain the diagram also. There is a person standing on the tower and he is watching the car. At the 30 degree, he saw the car some distance. Okay. After the making the angle 30 degree, after 6 minutes, 6 seconds, the car was used to be at the point degree of 60 degree, degree of 60. After 60, at the random time he saw the car at the 30 degree. Okay, after 6 seconds, he saw it again from the tower. The angle of depression becomes 60 degree. Okay, then his car is moving towards the tower, foot of the tower. So, here question is find the time taken to reach the foot of the tower. Right? That's the question here. 15.1. Again, application. Making the diagram is quite complex, but solution is that is almost with the basic solutions. Okay, let's cars moving in this direction. This is be a tower, right? And first we saw this one as 30 degree. Okay, then after we saw at t. Okay, we don't know the time is right at 6 seconds. At 6 seconds, he saw this is 60 degree. The person is here. Right? Person is here. Okay, write the parameters. They are not necessary. You can write also B, C, A, B, C. Right? Well, the question is find the time. Find the time. Okay. The car is at 30 degree and is okay. Then after 6 seconds, he saw the car at 60 degrees. 6 seconds, it becomes a 60 degree. Then find the time taken to reach the foot of the tower. That's the question. Okay. To understand this one. Okay, because that is given seconds now, I should take the and the car speed is uniform velocity. Uniform speed. Car is moving in the uniform speed. Okay. First one is okay. Solution. How to take the solution? Let okay. S is equal to d by t. Right. For uniform speed. Okay. For uniform speed, we have okay. d1 is by d1 is equal to d2 by t2 is equal to d3 by t3. This is the condition. Infinite. Uniform speed. Okay. Then this. Let's take this the axis. Okay. This is d and this is t in seconds in meter. Okay. And also this implies also s is equal to d by t. Okay, d is equal to s into t. one formula, right? For informality, we have this is the graph formula. See, for T1, this should be the T1, but T2 should be T2, okay? So I am making the same tower here. This is 30 degree, and at some point, at t equal to 6 seconds, this making 60 degree. Okay, this is a D. This is D. D is equal to S into T. Right, very important here. Get the thing sync. Okay, height is D is equal to S into T. Here height is D, height of the tower. Okay, car is moving with velocity because now see, if the car is moving this one left side, okay, the distance is okay. Distance varies with respect to speed. Right? Had to change the distance. See, distance become decreases towards, and we are going towards the distance become increases at particular time. It means slow is like see, if car is slowing, getting slower, it's moving. Distance also increases, time also increases. Time and distance are directly proportional. Okay? If time increases, distance increases. Okay. What the D is the speed into time. They given, right? First, I will take here. Just take the given conditions, whatever it will be. Draw this diagram into this in a coordinate geometry diagram. You will get the things. Okay. Then, without this also you can do. If you are the brilliant, plus D is S equal to T. Further, this is T. This is T, and this is the D is okay S into T. We can take the value directly. So something else we can do. Okay. But here tan 60. First one is tan 30 is equal to what is D by T. Whole is T, na? This is whole is T, right? Whole is T to meet this angle. Okay, this is S into T by T. T get cancelled. So S is equal to, this implies for tan 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. S is equal to 1 by root 3. What about tan 60? Okay, tan 60 is equal to only one, this one. This is old T. This becomes T minus 6. T minus 6 seconds. Okay. What is the D here? S into T divided by time. T minus 6 distance. Okay. D by T minus 6. Right? So this implies S into T by T minus 6 is equal to root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Yes. Okay. What is the best value is? Value of S is 1 by root 3. Okay. So T by root 3 into T minus 6 is equal to root 3. This implies, okay, T is equal to, like, root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 3 into T minus 6. This implies that I can write 2T is equal to 80. T is equal to 9 seconds. Okay. Total time is 9 seconds. Total time is 9 seconds. But the question is time to reach the from point this. Okay, can from 6 seconds. Okay, point B you can write. Point B to C. Here, yes, A to B. Okay, time to reach. Time to reach to the foot of the tower from point A is 9 minus 6 na, is equal to 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Therefore, T is equal to 3 seconds. Here, this we can write as T1 also. This also T1 or T1. This is the T1. Whatever it may be. Okay. Answer is 3 seconds. We got the total value is T t seconds. Already 6 seconds cross, or remaining is 3 seconds, right? This is the one. Okay. Next question is, okay, once the question is solving, get easy and easy and easy. Then again, have to solve the difficult question because it should take the time. You have to think the apply our minds. Okay. Then next question is, right, 30. The volume question is easy. You can do it. I have to find distance only. Simple solution they given. Okay, exercise na. Exercise 9.1. Question number 13. Balloon has been simple questions. Okay, simple solution. We can do it. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depressions of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Okay. Then you are standing in a lighthouse. Lighthouse. Okay. Lighthouse is a building, multi-story building. What is some not multi-story building, which may be symbol of that 75 meter. You are standing here. Okay, your height is not considered here, right? Only building on the height of the considered. Then, for the question is here, the angle of depression of ships are 30 degree and 40 degree. Okay, this is the horizontal angle of depression are, one is 30 degree, another one is 45 degree. Okay, it's the O, A and B and point C. If the ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the ships. You have to find the distance, this one, AO. Have to find the distance AO. Okay. Okay. Just first put the given data in the solution method. Whatever they given, the given height and one angle. Again, almost tan they are using, tan or cut, almost height and distance also. Be careful, right? This is the 45 degree. You want to find the 45 degree. Okay. First I will find the distance of BA. Okay, distance BA, tan 45 degree is equal to, okay, BC by BA. What is BC? 75 by BA. This implies tan 45 is 1 is equal to 75 by BC. This implies BC is equal to 75 meter. Exactly. This is 75 meter. Right. Then tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to what the question? BC by BO. Right. What the BC they given? 75 by BO is equal to what tan 30 is? 1 by root 3. This implies BO is equal to, right, 75 into root 3. 75 into root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, na? Okay. Tan 1 by root 3, right? BO. What we want? We want AO. So now AO is equal to BO minus BA. What is BO? 75 into, okay, let's this one as root 3 into 75 minus 75. This one is 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. Answer is AO. The distance of the ship is 75 root 3 9.1 13 9.1 root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 meter. See, question then one questions now, their questions are lengthy, but solution is simple solutions, right? Next question is, from top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree elevation, and angle of depression of the foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Again, they given a building, distance is 12, right? Building, right? And very sorry, hackers, okay, they have the use voice. Even though my room is getting these sounds very easily, I don't know why. This is the second floor also. Still, there's some vehicle movements, car movements, some what you call mumbling also. Some people used to talk with each other. That also gets high sounds here with intense voice. Okay, I'm trying to figure out this issue, but still I'm not getting the solution. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೇ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿ, ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಕೂಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರಾಯ್ತು ಯಾರಾಯ್ತು, ಅದೇನೋ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. With the limited infrastructure, digital infrastructure, but I have to tolerate this extra noise. Okay, I have the extreme apology for this extra noises. Okay, if I pausing every time, those who are coming and going, so again it takes much time to do a 1 hour video. It takes 2.5 hour time. Okay, that's why, guys. Next question is question number 12. Okay, from the top of the building, you are as the building, right? Building height is 7 meter. Okay, angle of elevation at the top of the cable is, okay, angle of elevation, right? This is the horizontal, na? Angle of elevation is 60 degree, right? And the angle of depression is of its foot is angle of depression of its foot. Okay, this is the, I think so, depression is 40 is okay. This one is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Determine the height of the tower. This one we need H O A B C. We need AC equal to S, right? From the top of the building, and the one point of the cable is 60 degree elevation, and depression to the top of the building is 45 degree, right? I have to find the height of this one. Okay, already I told you. Again, elevation is okay. Out of depression, here you can't make the angle, right? Should take this one here, okay, and this becomes this, okay, because now this becomes also 45. Why means BC and D, ABCD, D are parallel. Therefore, DC is a transversal. The BDC is equal to DCE, alternate interior angles. That's right. So here you can take this one and this one as a base. You can get the answer higher. So you can take this one as base, same answer. Okay. What I have to find here? We want now. See, I will do this with the special skills, right? Special skills means just only some direct questions. Okay. What we want, AC is equal to, okay, with the solution. Okay, with the solutions. Now, height of the tower, height of the cable, length of the cable, AC is equal to, you can write AB plus BC. This can write as, okay, here, but I have tan 60 is equal to AB by DB. This implies AB is equal to tan 60 into DB. Use this method, right? AB is equal to tan 60 into DB plus, again, BC is equal to, right, tan 30 degree. Right in the rough work, this one, start at 45 degree. 45 degree is equal to, see here, if we consider this one, DE by DB, right? If you're not getting consider this one, BC by DB, right? BC by DB. BC by DB. What is the BC here? BC is equal to, BC is equal to tan 45 into DB, right? Right. Clear cut example. AC is equal to AB plus BC. What is AB? Tan 60 into DB plus BC is tan 45 into DB. Okay. Maybe we don't know DB now. What to do? Oh, we don't know DB. How to know? Okay, sir. This is my trial method. Let's see. What tan 60 is root 3 into DB plus what tan 45? 1 into DB. So this becomes, okay, DB into root 3 plus 1. So what is DB here? Okay, how to find DB here? They are not given. Height of the tower. Okay. We have BC is equal to 7 cm, right? BC is 7. Okay. So AB we can write as AC minus BC. AB we can write again DB by BC. AC we can write here. AB we can write here AC minus, let's AC is equal to, we can write AB plus BC. This we can write AB plus BC is equal to DB into root 3 plus 1. What is AB here? We don't know. What is BC here? 7. Again 7. What is DB here? We want DB now. Right? Let's check the thing here. Here. Okay. BC is okay. BC is 7. Okay. BC is equal to tan 45 into DB. What is BC? 7 is equal to DB. Right? DB is equal to 7. Okay. Just put the value. Okay. Just to mistake is AC is equal to tan 60 is root 3 into 7 plus tan 45 is 1 into 7. Take 7 outside, remaining value is root 3 plus 1 meter AC. Only 2 step, okay. As for different method, what should do? Take AC is equal to AB plus BC. Write AB in the tan 60 into DB right? Write this side because tan 60 is equal to A by dB, AB is equal to tan 60 into dB, right? One thing, and again BC is equal to tan 45 BC by dB, and BC is equal to tan 45, therefore S1 is equal to dB here. So we can write tan 60. Okay, then put the value of 7 here, dB. Can put the value also. Directly we get the answer in 2 steps. Okay, only 2 steps. Okay, this by practicing. Okay, maths practicing, practice ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ by seeing the data. Okay, the 45 they given, answer should be this is root 3, this is the 1, so maybe dv is common, you can write this 7 into whatever it may be, 7 into root 3 plus 1 by seeing the option. Okay, that's also. Anyway, we solved the questions now. There are many questions, there are 16 questions. Out of 16 are solved on my example solved question. Another one is 4 to 5 questions from the unsolved one, right? Okay, I successfully going to complete this trigonometric introduction, complete some which one, ratios introduction, ratios, standard angles, complementary angles, entities, and application. Here the application very important. In the application you should know the angle of elevation is what, angle of difference is what, vertical is what, horizontal is what. If you know these things now, you can easily figure out the questions easily. And almost they give the questions on tan only. Try to remember the tan value. Means tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, only that. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, infinity. Only the 1. You get only these values only. Okay, not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. Sin 0, 1 by 0 is not defined, right? Only thing only for this one higher distance. Okay, in next classes, class 11, class 12 graduation, you know the real depth of the trigonometric angle. Anyway, trigonometric ratios. Anyway, so next chapter is circles. Circles have one clear size. Construction not for the syllabus. And okay, next are very easy until go to the probability and statistics. Okay, statistics and probability, they are quite calculating part, so not complex, time consuming part. Okay, remaining 2 chapters are very easy, right? Okay, those who are watching, yaru watch ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, क्या बोला अभी हिंदी में. ओके, कोई देख रही ना स्टूडेंट्स का बच्चे, प्लीज डू कमेंट. ओके, कमेंट कीजिए, whatever it may be, positive or negative, मैं देख लूंगा. मीन्स ऑफ ना समथिंग एल्स इफ आई गिव द कमेंट बॉक्स ना अगेन. सो Hindi is like that. Okay, if I want the person to talk it, okay, then I will get the replication. So I am to talk is like that. Okay, भाई कोई भी कमेंट होगा ना आपके कमेंट कीजिए, बिकॉज the pura Hindi is like national language. Okay, by default. Okay, national language and be. And okay, thank you very much for watching this. Okay, so I will perfect the language again. I will come with the next time. Okay, bye, see you.